Here the 50,000 will be called as salary because that has been received by me as a salary as an employee from the college as an employee from the employer. It will be taxable. What about the 5,000? Does the college is given for my work? No, that has been given for my birthday. That is not the salary. Then it will be taxable under the head other source. Then what about the 2,000 that has been given by the students? Are they my employer? No. What is the rule for salary? Amount received by employee only from the employer will be taxable. If it is received from employer alone, taxable. If it is not received from employer, that will be taxable under the head other source. So the amount received from student for the appreciation of my work for my teaching will be taxable under the head other source. Am I clear? And further, with regard to paper evaluation work, the amount of 8,000 that has been received from Tiruvallur University. Even though this is a part of teaching work, 8,000 is an income, but it is not my salary. The reason, Tiruvallur University is not my employer, only the Sacred College is my employer. Have you understood the point? Have you understood the point? So any amount received only from the employer alone taxable under the head salary. So we could summarize that salary means any remuneration received by employee from the employer for the services rendered by him is called a salary. The term salary will include 11 components. One is basic salary, then point number 2 is allowances, point number 3 perquisites, point number 4 fees, bonus, commission, and point number 5 contribution to PF, point number 6 profit in lieu of salary, then advance salary and arrears of salary, then retirement compensations like leave salary, gratuity, pensions, etc. We shall see the rules later. Before that, suppose assume that a college principal has appreciated and given a letter. Assume that Srini sir, you done a good work during the month of November. Will it be my salary? No. The salary must be given in the form of cash or kind, which can be accessible in terms of monetary value. Have you got the point? So if anything can be converted into cash, then only that will be taxable under the head salary. Here we have certain rules. Okay, what about the MP, MLA salaries and minister salary? Assume that you have your own constituency MLAs and MPs. Say for example, if a MLA received rupees 1 lakh as a salary, will it be taxable under the head salary or not? What is your answer? No, it is not taxable under the head salary. What is the reason? He is not an employee. He is not an employee, rather he is a public servant. So his income will not be taxable under the head salary and it will be taxable in income from other source. And let me give another example. Suppose at the end of my service, after retirement, I have received rupees 20,000 from Sacred College as a pension. Will it be salary? Yes, it is a salary because it is given by employer for my work alone, for my service, for my contribution to the institution. So that will be salary. Let me give another cases. Assume that I have retired at the age of 60. My salary, my pension is 20,000. That is a salary. After 3 years, suppose I have deceased, I died. That pension is given to my wife. 20,000 received my wife. Will it be salary? No, it is not a salary because she is not an employee in Sacred College. So that will be taxable. That could be called as family pension and it will be taxable under the head other source. So with regard to salary, there must be money or monetary value. That must be employer and employee relationship. It must be received only from employer. Is it okay? That's it. So the first components of salary is basic salary. What is the rule for basic salary? Basic salary is fully taxable. Say for example, for a case, my basic salary is 10,000. That is taxable. 10,000 multiplied by 12, 1,20,000. If it is given for per month, we have to take it for a year. The salary should be calculated only for a year purpose alone. So basic salary fully taxable. Here the basic salary could be given in 3 methods. One is a direct method, that is basic salary 10,000 per month. then 10,000 multiplied by 12, 1,20,000 is taxable. Suppose the second method, if the basic salary is given, like net salary received rupees 3 lakh after deduction of rupees 30,000 to the PF. What is my basic salary? What it mean? Let me give one example. Assume that my salary is 50,000 per month, but I am receiving only 48,000. What about the 2,000? 2,000 amount has been deposited or credited in Provident Fund account for the benefit of employee. So I have received only 48,000 after deducting 2,000 from my salary. Here, what is my true salary? What is my net salary? What is my gross salary? Is it 48,000? No, 48,000 plus 2,000 in total 50,000 is my basic salary. So if it is given as a net salary method, you have to add back the amount that has been deducted. Add back the amount that has been deducted. Let me give another example. Suppose in that problem they have been given net salary received 3 lakh after deducting 30,000 for PF and 20,000 for tax. In this case, what is the basic salary amount? The net salary amount 3 lakh plus the deducted amount 30,000 plus another deducted amount 20,000. In total 3,50,000 will be taxable at the outer side, at the outer column. Am I clear? So basic salary could be given in three methods. One is direct method, second is net salary method, and third is scale method. Scale method. What is the method of scale? Suppose, say for example, you could have watched in a newspaper advertisement or employment newspaper that the salary is 10,000 hyphen 2,000 hyphen 20,000 hyphen 3,000 hyphen 60,000. What it mean? The starting basic salary at the time of this scale is 10,000 per month. At the end of 1 year service, he will be eligible to get an increment of 2,000 at each and every year. So the beginning 10,000 is a basic salary at the time of appointment or at the time of declaration. The in between the amount, the smaller amount will be called as an increment. That is an annual increment. If he has continuous service for one completed year, he will be eligible to receive another 2,000. For the next year, he will be receive another 2,000. This will be called as scale method. Whatever it may be, the rule for basic salary is fully taxable. Second item, bonus. Bonus is also fully taxable. What do you mean by bonus? Bonus is the amount given by employer out of surplus profit to me for the specific occasions, like Diwali bonus or Pongal bonus, like that. The taxation rule is it is fully taxable. You have to post that amount at the outer column. Then third item is commission. Commission is fully taxable. What do you mean by commission? Commission is given by an employer for your achievement in a target. Suppose assume that I am a sales representative. My salary is based on my commission alone. If I achieve the target of 1 crore, the company could offer 1% commission. So out of 1 crore, 1%, 1 lakh is my commission. Even though my basic salary is 20,000, I could receive 1,20,000 as my total salary. So commission is fully taxable. Here also commission could be given in two methods. One is fixed method, second is percentage method. Irrespective of your target achievement, a company could offer commission rupees 1,000 per month. That will be called as fixed method. Here, whether you reach the target or not, your commission will be 1,000 alone. So 1,000 multiplied by 12, 1,20,000 is taxable. Then if it is given in percentage method, say for example, previously I have given that example. I have achieved the target of 1 crore. For that commission is 1%. For 1 crore, 1% is 1 lakh will be taxable. Whatever it may be, commission is taxable. So basic salary fully taxable, bonus fully taxable, commission fully taxable. The next item is advance salary and arrears of salary. Both are fully taxable. What do you mean by advance salary? The salary that has been received in advance. The future month salary could be received in earlier itself. Suppose, assume that I have a medical emergency. I need 1 lakh rupees. Where I could receive that amount? Where I could get that amount? I could approach my principal, telling that for principal, could you offer my next 2 months salary in advance? That will be called as advance salary. That is also fully taxable. Similarly, arrears of salary is also fully taxable. The next two important concept is allowances and perquisite. What do you mean by allowances? Apart from my basic salary, bonus, fees, commission, advance salary and arrears of salary, a company or an employer could offer an allowances. What do you mean by allowances? Allowances means it is an additional amount given by employer in each and every month. In each and every month to meet a specific purpose or to meet unspecific expenses, that will be called as allowances. Like dearness allowances, DA, you could saw the term DA, CCA, medical allowances, like that. Then what is the difference between bonus and allowances? Bonus will be given once in a while, whereas allowances will be given in each and every month. Am I clear? Then another term, perquisite. What do you mean by perquisite? Perquisite means it is a benefit or facility that has been given by employer to the employee in addition to the salary, which can be converted into the form of cash, into the money. That will be called as perquisites. Let me give one example. Suppose the college has given rupees 300 per month to meet my tea expenses. Assume that I used to have a lot of tea. The college is given, I've told that, Srini sir, you could receive rupees 300 per month in addition to your salary to meet the tea expenses. Then that 300 will be called as allowances. Suppose instead of giving 300, the college has stated that, Srini sir, you could come to canteen and have a cup of tea on every day, and there is no need to pay that amount. Then that will be called as perquisite. So perquisite will be given in the form of kind or facility, whereas allowances will be given in the form of cash. Let me give another example. For railway employees or police people, the government will be given a coat-dress. That will be called as facility. Suppose if there is no coat-dress facility in a company, what they will do? They will give an allowances. That will be called as house rent allowances. Is it okay? Okay. So at last we could summarize that thing. The basics of salary. Salary means amount received by employee from his employer for the work done by him. What is the rule for salary? Basic salary is fully taxable. Fees is fully taxable. Commission is fully taxable. Then bonus is fully taxable. Advance salary, arrears of salary fully taxable. Allowances and perquisite, that will be taxable as per the rule. We could see the rules in the next sessions. Thank you. God bless you.